Let's make a Colorscape. First, place your paper on the aluminum foil and use markers to mark the edges. Colors inspire us in many ways. I enjoy cool colors like blues and greens because I feel a sense of calm. As you add a variety of colors to the foil surface, be spontaneous and playful. Ready for a creativity tip? It's time to create a marker transfer. Lightly spray the markers with water. Place the paper on the aluminum foil and gently rub the surface. Remove the paper from the foil to reveal the transfer. When dry, add lines and designs to enhance your Colorscape. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning and follow on social media for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.